Hey guys, so today we're gonna be opening squishies. These squishies. Let's open them. This is just an opening. This is gonna be the only video for today. No, actually. It's a dog. Looks like what kind of dogs? A golden retriever. And I got a penguin. I'm gonna name him Peppy. Hi, I'm Peppy. They're cute. I named this Jeffred. It's a squishing small, okay. That's the opening, but before I end this video, I need to get it to longer. Yeah, but, I don't really know what to do. And now, I'm wondering what I'm gonna do. It just rained outside. It was raining, it was pouring. Which, as you know, did you get this nasty weather? But guys, we've got faith in humanity because we're finally solving the issue with global warming. We're gonna stop it. Guess what? Even the Russian, what you call it? The Russian leader also agreed. And we're gonna have these futuristic things where, like, health, it'll be a health tracker. It will be on your hand. It's basically eSkin. If you haven't heard of that, go look at CNN YouTube channel. Watch the video that you see first. Yeah, and then because we watched it in school, I felt like the future was coming near. But that's good that the future's coming near. I'm excited, and I cannot wait for new things. And this is basically it for the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And before I go, there's one thing I want to say. Thank you for letting my channel grow. And thanks to DonkeyGoer456 because she's the one that got me to this goal to 19 subs, maybe more. I haven't looked at my channel sub count. I'm still getting to my newest goal, but yeah, I just made this video also for appreciation and opening these things I got. And please comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.